Welcome to our YouTube channel. On February 22nd, NPO Entertainment announced that they are currently reviewing Shin Ye-yoon's appearance in the upcoming drama Jeongni, which is based on a period drama webtoon. The drama follows the story of Mokpo girl Jeongyeon, who is born with only one voice and has nothing else. Shin Ye-yoon, who recently appeared in the Netflix series The Glory, will also star in the new SBS Monday-Tuesday drama The Secret Romantic Guest House. The drama is an adaptation of a web novel and revolves around 4 youths, including Yoon Dan-oh, who is the owner of the boarding house Gaikju Lee Hwa-won, and 3 boarders with secrets. The drama promises to be a refreshing and sassy story that draws a mystery close-knit romance. The teaser poster for The Secret Romantic Guest House features Shin Ye-yoon's character, Yoon Dan-oh, and Myor-young's character working together to create a mysterious excitement. Yoon Dan-oh is also seen hugging a masked man, creating a tear-jerkingly beautiful ink painting visual and raising expectations for the drama. Overall, Jeongni and The Secret Romantic Guest House promise to be exciting and thrilling dramas that will capture the hearts of viewers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates.